Okay, stand by. Take. Time. Down. Hey. Action.
Okay, so we finished the first week of the shoot, and usually on a film shoot, the first shot is like the easiest shot. So you do something simple like a guy just walking into a door, or asking for money or something, just something really small and easy. But because of our location and the deadline and the schedule, we ended up having to do our most difficult shot first, which was a one-take steady cam shot following a fight sequence that takes place inside a nightclub. And yeah, for it to be the first shot and on the first day of shooting, ended up meaning that we did 56 takes in order to get the 1 minute 10 second sequence.
Kita ulang terus. Itu kurang lebih sekitar 7 jam untuk 56 take.
The difficulty with doing this Steadicam shot is the fact that you've got a lot of different things coming into play. So it wasn't just that the choreography had to be right, because every single angle of that choreography has to be perfect. So if a punch doesn't connect, then it's a no good take, because you can't mix and match in the edit, it's just one shot.
Kalau buat masalah di dalam diskotik itu benar-benar capek, nauzubillah min dzalik capeknya. Soalnya dari jam 10 pagi sampai jam 2 pagi itu bisa dapat cuman 2 kali. Itu semua kita ambil 1 take.
Cut.
Kita kerja sekitar 15 jam lebih per hari, kondisinya cukup berat, tapi disupport sama kru yang sangat solid dengan kondisi fisik pemain yang sangat baik, juga dari sisi directing Gareth yang no compromise for perfect shot, dengan segala kendala yang ada, bekerja sedikit di atas normal, dengan kondisi jam kerja yang terbalik. Itu tingkat kesulitannya, bahwa kita bekerja start mulai malam sampai selesai di pagi, terus berlanjut seperti itu.
It's just how really difficult it is to shoot an action movie. Like drama is all well and good because you can mix and match between different takes. So if your actor delivers a line perfectly in one take, but then later on they do a different line better, like you can just mix it in the edit. But with fight sequences, especially martial arts fight sequences, your takes have to be perfect. You can't really mix and match, especially the style that we're going for. And we're not looking to do too much in terms of quick cutting, unless we absolutely have to. So when we do a take, and if there's maybe 8 or 9 punch and kick sequences in that take, every single one of them has to be exact.
Dari sisi pemain yang paling berat memang di Iko, karena hampir semua scene itu ada Iko, baik itu fight maupun drama. Jadi itu juga di luar dugaan kita. Walaupun secara schedule sudah diatur kapan fight, kapan break, terus masuk ke drama supaya dia bisa recovery untuk kondisi fisiknya.
Action.
Okay, cut. I'm absolutely exhausted because it's been pretty relentless the last few days. But I feel good, and it's nice because we're doing little rough cuts here and there each day. So maybe at the end of each day I'll take the laptop and do a couple of rough cuts of some of the fight sequences, some of the drama sequences, and then we'll watch them the next day. We'll watch them just before we start the shoot. It tends to raise spirits up and keep people happy and excited to know that like what they're doing and all the hard work and how tired we feel at the end of each day is worth something.
Yang menjadi perlu perhatian lebih adalah ketepatan waktu sesuai dengan schedule yang sudah dirancang supaya tidak terlalu melebar, bisa tetap on schedule semuanya.
Action.